Guys, we are back in another video, and in this video we are covering the XRP again. And as you know, we just break the triangular structure in the previous video. We were on the 3.2 level, and then we just make a breakout, which was not a breakout quietly, which was a fake out, you can say. And yeah, so as I told you, if we then we just need reach to a new region, which was around about the 3.0 level or 3.6 level, which was the our target. And yeah, we manages to get a support area on the 3.06 area, which I just mentioned in the previous video on the XRP analysis. So basically, if we just see, if we just maintain this area, which is this support area, micro support, you can say. It's not a major one. So major one is still the 2.9 level, and yeah, which is, I can just highlight the golden point. And if we just manages to get the micro support level, which is the 3.06 level, as you can see, the price is just hit here. And yeah, if we just manages to get a support area from this section and manages to break the 3.18 level and the 3.283 level, so then we have a chance of possible to see a massive breakout and massive new rally, which I am thinking it's gonna happen. And I have take my position as a long position. So I recently take my position around this area, which is the 3.06 level. And yeah, I think this is area also, and I think the price can easily go up to $4 mark. And yeah, I'm currently bullish on the XRP. The reason is why, because tomorrow is the 20th January. And yeah, so basically the tomorrow is the 20th January, and there's likely more gonna, you can see, like there's more is going to happen for the XRP and the Solana and American based cryptocurrency, as you guys are hearing the news. And if you just see in the 15-minute time frame, you can see the market makes some really low move, and then it just make a head and shoulder pattern. And yeah, we just possibly make the new support area here, and which is the 3.0622 level. And if we manages to break this level, guys, basically this level, the one level, you can say, like this level, and yeah, and the 3.18 between 3.2 region, then we can start a new trend, which is the big potential rally. And I think it's rightly gonna happen, because right now I'm thinking that it will gonna happen. Basically, if we just clearly see the 1 hour chart, we see there are so much volume right now. The market is pushing, and the XRP is showing so much strength right now, with the big wicks and right now. And yeah, so my strategy is still the same, because we just have the new areas and new price and sentiment. And yeah, so if we just see at the macro level on the 1 hour chart, and yeah, I think we just are going good. And we need to break the previous resistance area, which was on the 3.23 level. And I think we can easily manage this to break. And if we just get a fair value back and the price momentum upward, we can push the market around about 3.8 level. And yeah, it can only happen if the Trump can happen. If Trump can help us, that then we can just push upward rally. Or if we just get a big news regarding to the XRP, then there is a nice chance for the XRP to show some move. Right now, the market is doing good, and is showing the strength, and yeah, and many altcoins just showing some strength. And if we just manages to get a breakout from this structure, that one, it will be a massive rally. If we just see the previous 4 hour chart, we can see that if when this triangular structure is happened, XRP always shows some massive move, guys. You see these type of massive moves previously, when the triangular and the diagonal structure is happen right now in here, and still it's happening here. If we just adjust the triangular structure right now here, and I'm seeing the potential of this coin is pretty much very highly likely is going to happen. And yeah, if we manages to get the break of this area right now at some level, so I'm thinking that it is easy gonna be easy forex or $4, or you can say like $5, as I mentioned. So I am thinking that there is quite good is going to happen in the XRP space, for example. So yeah, and if for the correction purposes, I have arranged the correction on the 2.9 level, which I am thinking that if it's likely gonna happen, then we will have a support area of 2.9 level and the 3.01 level, which is the golden 2.9 area is golden zone, and the 3.0 the $3 is the crucial area to get support. And if we just manages to get the support area around the 3.06 level, is also is a micro level support here. And so as I mentioned, if we just manage to get break above the 3.5 level, so I'm going to rewrite that direction, and rewrite the momentum. And yeah, I'm thinking that it will gonna be easily like go to the $4.95, and which is likely gonna happen today, or maybe in past few week or next week. So let's see what we can do. And remember guys, always take your profit. Basically don't wait for the price to go like $4. If you have like an initial investment, you just take out your investment. And so yeah, always take your profit. And make sure you guys like and subscribe for the XRP news. And you guys showing me so much love, as I predicted it's likely gonna happening. And yeah, when we have some triangular structure or breakout, something like that, a massive structure, right, likely it's gonna happen. So the first thing which was the green flag on the XRP was this macro level structure. Basically, if you just see every price that I have marked right now, it's like good happening. And yeah, as I predicted that it can show you a possible momentum upside if we just manages to get the support again and manages to break. Otherwise we will go to 2.9 level, and yeah, then we will have a massive rally. And I'm thinking that XRP can easily go up to $4 or $5 mark, and then we will see a $10 possibly high when the beam coin just start or the altcoin season is started. Then it can easily go to $10. And yeah, it has a potential use case. If the retailers enter the market and the XRP ETF, then it can get to more higher price. And I am bullish on the XRP. I also hold XRP when it was like on the 0.5 level, as I told you in the earlier video. And I have made so much money from the XRP because XRP is my major holding. And yeah, so if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow me for more. Thank you for more video, and peace out.